Osteoarthritis, often referred to as wear and tear arthritis, is a degenerative joint condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It occurs when the protective cartilage that cushions the ends of bones wears down over time, leading to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. While conventional medicine offers treatments such as pain relievers, anti-inflammatory drugs, and even surgery in severe cases, many people turn to herbal remedies as a gentler and more holistic approach to managing symptoms. Herbal medicine, with its centuries of tradition and focus on natural healing, provides a range of options for alleviating osteoarthritis pain and improving joint health. At the heart of herbal remedies for osteoarthritis lies the goal of addressing inflammation and supporting joint repair. Inflammation is a key driver of osteoarthritis symptoms, contributing to the swelling, stiffness, and discomfort that sufferers often experience. Many herbs have natural anti-inflammatory properties, making them an excellent option for soothing these symptoms. Among the most well-known is turmeric, a golden root prized for its active compound curcumin. Studies have shown that curcumin can reduce joint inflammation and pain, rivaling the effects of some over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications. Turmeric can be taken as a tea, added to foods, or consumed as a standardized supplement for maximum efficacy. Another valuable herb in managing osteoarthritis pain is ginger. Similar to turmeric, ginger contains compounds with strong anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects, such as gingerols and shoggols. Ginger can be consumed fresh, steeped in teas, or taken as capsules. Its warming properties not only ease pain, but also improve circulation, which can be particularly beneficial for stiff, achy joints. Willow bark, sometimes referred to as nature's aspirin, has a long history of use in pain relief. Containing salicin, a compound that the body converts into salicylic acid, willow bark provides natural analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects. It can be consumed as a tea or taken as a tincture, but it should be used cautiously, particularly by those with sensitivities to aspirin or related medications. Boswellia, commonly known as Indian frankincense, is another powerful herbal remedy for osteoarthritis. Its active compounds, boswellic acids, have been shown to inhibit inflammatory pathways in the body, reducing pain and improving joint function. Boswellia is often available in supplement form and is a popular choice for those looking to enhance mobility and reduce stiffness without the side effects associated with pharmaceutical options. For those experiencing swelling and fluid buildup in their joints, herbs like nettle and dandelion can provide relief. These herbs act as natural diuretics, helping to reduce inflammation and improve joint health. They also contain a wealth of vitamins and minerals, such as magnesium and potassium, which support overall joint and bone health. Nettle can be consumed as a tea or tincture, while dandelion is commonly taken as a tea or added to salads in its fresh form. Topical applications are another important aspect of herbal remedies for osteoarthritis. Herbs like arnica and cayenne pepper are frequently used in creams or oils to provide localized pain relief. Arnica, applied as a cream or infused oil, helps to reduce inflammation and bruising, making it ideal for tender or swollen joints. Cayenne, with its active component capsaicin, works by desensitizing nerve endings and blocking pain signals. Regular application of a capsaicin cream can lead to significant pain reduction over time. Beyond individual herbs, incorporating herbal blends into daily routines can be transformative for osteoarthritis sufferers. Herbal teas or infusions made with a combination of anti-inflammatory and nourishing herbs, such as turmeric, ginger, nettle, and dandelion, offer a convenient way to support joint health from within. Similarly, bone broths infused with anti-inflammatory herbs can provide a double benefit of nourishment and pain relief. It's also worth considering adaptogenic herbs in the management of osteoarthritis. While not directly aimed at pain relief, adaptogens like ashwagandha and holy basil help the body cope with stress, which can exacerbate pain perception. Reducing stress levels and promoting overall systemic balance can make osteoarthritis symptoms more manageable. As with any herbal remedy, safety and quality are paramount. Herbs should be sourced from reputable suppliers to ensure they are free of contaminants and prepared correctly for maximum potency. Additionally, while herbs are generally safe when used appropriately, they can interact with medications or exacerbate certain health conditions. Consulting a healthcare provider or herbalist before starting a new herbal regimen is essential, particularly for those already taking medications or managing chronic health issues. Finally, lifestyle adjustments can enhance the effectiveness of herbal remedies. Regular movement, such as gentle yoga or swimming, keeps joints flexible and reduces stiffness. Pairing herbs with an anti-inflammatory diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, colorful vegetables, and whole grains can further reduce joint pain and swelling. Hydration, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques round out a holistic approach to osteoarthritis care. In summary, herbal remedies offer a diverse and effective toolkit for managing osteoarthritis pain and supporting joint health. By incorporating anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and nourishing herbs into daily routines, sufferers can find relief from symptoms and improve their quality of life. These time-honored remedies, combined with healthy lifestyle practices, underscore the power of nature to heal and restore balance in the body.